Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 5 and 6 of class 8. Chapter number 5, protection modes of GK subject. Okay, class 8th. There are many ways animals protect themselves. They have hard shells to keep themselves protected from predators. They can pretend to be dead or left off an awful order. They can sting or bite and use memory. When an animal irritates other animals, that is dangerous. Okay. Now, these are some protection modes of different animals are given below. Identify and write their names. First one, to protect themselves and their kids from their enemies, they spray a stinky, horrible smelling white sallowish oil that is made of small glands under their tail. Its name is skunk. So write skunk, skunk. Okay children. Now, number 2, it curls up inside its armor to escape from its enemy. It is armadillo. ARMADILLO, armadillo. Third one, when a predator is spotted by them, they emit a loud specific call to their den mates. They bolt for the nearest hole or den until the danger passes. So it is meerkats. MEER, KATS, meerkats. Fourth one, it changes its colors to merge with its surrounding. Its name is chameleon. CHAMELEON, chameleon. Fifth one, it pretends to be dead to escape its enemy. It is opossum. OPPOSSUM, opossum. Sixth one, it uses its tail to dodge its enemies. If it attacks, it drops off its tail and runs away. It is lizard. LIZARD, lizard. Seventh one, this bird pretends to be injured to escape from its enemy. It does so to keep the enemy away from its young ones. It is plover. PLOVER, plover. Eighth one, it uses camouflage to protect itself from predators that want to eat it. It protects itself from its enemy by confusing or even scaring them away. It is peacock butterfly. Right? PEACOCK, peacock. BUTTERY, butter, FLY, fly, butterfly. Ninth one, it will let a hornet enter the hive, then swarm on it, top of it. This results in the hornet overheating and dying. It is eastern honey bee. Right? EASTERN, eastern. HONEY, honey, BEE, honey bee. Coming to the chapter number 6, dangerous animals. A poisonous animal carries harmful chemical called poison toxin, and venomous animal also carries poison. The only difference is that it can inject its poison through a sting. Name the following most poisonous animals in the world using the hint box. So, you have to write the names of these poisonous animals from the hint box. First one, world's most poisonous frog. It is poison dart frog. Write the spelling. POISON, poison, DART, dart, FROG, frog. Okay. Now, second one, world's most poisonous scorpion. It is Indian red scorpion. So write INDIAN, Indian, RED, red, SCORPION, scorpion. Third one, world's most venomous sea animal. It is box jellyfish. So write BOX, box, JELLY, jelly, FISH, fish. Next, fourth one, world's most poisonous crab. It is Indian crab or spider crab. Right? INGIAN, Indian, CRAB, crab, slash, SPIDER, spider, CRAB, crab. Fifth one, world's most poisonous 8-handed animal. It is blue ringed octopus. So write the spelling: BLUE blue, RIGNGED ring, OCTOPUS octopus. Sixth one, world's most venomous snake, growing up to 18.5 feet in length. It is inland tapir snake. So write INLAND inland, TAIPN tapir, SNAKE snake. Seventh one, world's most poisonous snail. One drop of its venom can kill 20 human adults. So its name is marbled cone snail. Right? MARBLED, marbled, CONE cone, SNAIL snail. Eighth one, world's most venomous fish. It is stonefish. Right? STONE, stone, FISH, fish, stonefish. So you have to complete chapter number 5 and chapter number 6 in your textbook in a very beautiful handwriting. Thank you.